dream, sweetheart. Oh, 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 life could be a dream. And I think plans will come true. And I think spend my whole life loving you.
Welcome to Brianna's DIY world. Today, me and my sister are going to be doing the Do Not Laugh challenge. And this will be entertaining because we're both not really in the mood to laugh. But that's a whole nother story. So, we'll see how this goes. Okay. Okay. So I've not seen these before. Wait, can we bring this up? Oh my gosh.
They're good now.
Oh, it's supposed to be funny.
Right? Let me insert my card. Release card. One moment. Oh, let's check it.
What? I didn't see it.
Let me insert my card. Release card. One moment. Oh, let's check it. 7-Eleven getting gas, right? Let me insert my card.
Why?
Alright, here we go.
That's not funny. Why? What? That's so bad. Oh, that was so painful.
Can I get a sand? No, I'm good. I just want to sand.
Damn. Oh, I guess these two weren't very funny, but. Okay. Can you? That one was good though. Now, a lot of these I've been collecting for a while, so I'm not really even sure how funny they are. Cat, but so done. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We're going to do the Do Not Laugh challenge with water now.
What does it do?
Alexa, what do you do? Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Alexa, play rock music.
Alexa, stop. My name is Michael.
Alexa!
The equation of time was applied to what a clock said. In order to actually don't have to yell at it. Okay, it uses far field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room. Spit facts.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things. All you have to do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
If you were to compress Mount Everest into something smaller than a nanometer, you would have a black hole.
Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
But Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Digestion begins in the mouth.
Alexa, how many teaspoons in a tablespoon?
I did not expect that to happen.
Visit steamy jungles, grassy plains, and the dark depths of the ocean to meet and learn surprising facts about the magnificent animals that live there.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and come back for more. And if you do the Do Not Laugh challenge, send it to us on Instagram, which is at Love the Adventures. And we want to see it. And we'll feature you in one of my stories.
Also, you should follow my account at LollyVenture.
LollyVenture! She does cute little pictures of everything. And I think I'm on there. She didn't ask for my permission, but I was there.
I don't think
Just
you're
kidding.
on there.
Yeah, the one where I was droning. I was flying the drone.
No, that's not on that account.
I thought it was. Well, go follow it. It's pretty awesome. And have a great day. And laugh a lot, because laughing helps. Alright, bye.